Welcome to another Blackpool video. Today we're going to go and have a look at Put Above, Blackpool's latest crazy golf. For those that know Blackpool, it's downstairs in the old Laser Quest, just a few doors down from Revs. First thing that you'll notice is it's nothing like a normal crazy golf. You've got 8 lanes, which you book each lane for an hour. Definitely like the idea that you're not worried about people in front of you or behind you. You can just play at your own pace. Time for Rampage, 30 seconds of non-stop shooting. Go, go, go. The derby was by far our favourite game. Played it 2 or 3 times. Indiana. It's a great concept, but I would say it might be better if you come with a group of friends, have a few beers beforehand, or early doors with a young family. If you do go, drop me a line, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.